Otonan teror brother.
January, yar palantir manda.
Kita ibarat kaji tu kita orang jual.
Juana, emang kala juana.
Bawang cuma ini nak cerut.
Itu jual cikur dengan aja tu, gimana? Wow, kalau tu. Lower cikur orang cerut, kita orang koman jual.
Ini kemarin rally tu pun jadi ni overtime.
Kita orang jual. Kerja cinu nak jalan.
Kerja nak cerut kita boleh
mau jual. Akhirnya tu boleh nak jalan, boleh kemana kita?
Boleh. Ciru tahu cuma jual. Jangan.
Ciru tahu cuma elang ke pernah tu jadi tu bincang balik tu.
Ayo kian injuran na.
Injuran ni kian tak?
Kian mitch.
Oh, kian mitch. Mula, life insurance. Kalau kian ni elang ni. Cuma pernah betul na. Okay. Kalau lalu orang tu nur kan cawan. Lo yang cungin pering dia lo boleh na.
Kian menewin kalan lo boleh na kalau ujuk. Capai kian ni. Kian boleh lo boleh kian cawan.
Akhir kaji tu ni elang apa cirim ni, ni apa jelangan mitch. Entry tam cover ni bila ni hiru wan. Emergency kai.
Nane boleh cicalon.
Kemana lagi?
Lon.
Aja orang ayu ni kan ni orang rumah ni, orang pun ada ni cuma.
Juga punya dong.
Aja orang macam ni ciru cuma awak ya, kapan nur dah, ini even nur. Itu tu orang cerita mana?
Orang orang rugi cuma.
Rugi cerita apa tu na?
Baik, maintenance tu, siapa tu?
Maintenance itu siapa tu? Kita nak ikut mana ibarat kaji tu kita orang jual.
Aja ini.
Emang dah jual. Kita ikut brother tu orang cerita.
Ya, cun.
Ranta kali, kiyo, ranta kali. Cerita tu na?
Cerol pen piawa. Kita sector control, chain now.
Iya, itu cepat orang mana nak itu ada.
Ingat piawa.
Pilgannya per.
Jangan cakap.
Cerita. Itu nama cerut.
Iya.
Cerita tu nama?
Jual. Perkara cime, wajib cime je nak jadi. Wajib jualan, rekaman je.
Mau cerita mana lokal kapram ni?
Lokal.
Itu nama cerut.
Jadi cino iya.
Elang kan penuh bagi calon lokal.
Jalan.
Kita itu nama cerut.
Pengelolaan ni.
Pengelolaan ni nama. Logi ni. Tapi ciru nama cerut apa mana ni jadi? Ciru tahu jual. Akhir ini, mereka kaji cerita rumah kaman. Emang dah jual.
Mana jual walau tala rumah.
Lalu tala rumah jen. Kalau lalu tala rumah jen, lalu rumah ikut. Ngelang ciru jen medium kain. Orang kaya apa? Jadi tam, kau loan itu tak? Kau loan kau barom. Aku jadi kena dengan ciru mi. Cintongan, ciru mi kan? Emelan dengan ciru cuma cuma itu saja.
Dia raya pun cinta.
Korposi cinta am ciru nama.
Cewek cipu.
Caci ciru dia, ciru tala. Arrain ini dia macam boleh mana jadi? Kalau emang tala jual awak. Ilu la wone no lu kai lu chuju peri ko la la ko maranga bodo ilang ka pamun
nga beruto dijime reberiakan aga icel kai ritomro ngam karan
ko nyurot karan ko la la ko ne mentala ko maranga nur ko ne mentala yone igi chen wi achara me manga
wi lo ba jilale la ko em man o te jangan ilang chorer be ijal lo
Bubu lemul jima ko marang nur ka ko chuju beri.
Aku ganan dukung laponan muy gue. Jadi dalam berpuro.
Ai.
Jadi dalam berpuro ko perkataran kala. Yang per. Cela wayang pengaw lawan gambarangan ngamawe. Rubu tala kayak nyan doi lojen ngapret per. Itu kan jen peyang ay nur ka nemul ta. Iya, alwen weekend malam ay nurul nemul. Eja ko kena ngai ciri lah. Urjun di jempro ya ini, emen jenuh ko bro ciri mula kare, nemul tala. Marang-marang pokok rumul tala ciri mula.
Agiang ni ilang ciri ko yung kain kan mejum.
Loe.
Menogoni wal wara abang kain yung itu.
Wal man kini.
Yokwe all of them, welcome back to my channel ina. Inganan pergi ni nu, nelaga film kau dah ilgau rin, ragar pakai karan. Yang melihat tu ciri, meleleh, kincar kalau kau. Ragar kaci tu apa? Kincar kau kalau kata. Ini dah micak lagi. Kalau kau ID gereng, lu kincar kalau kau. Lo majal. Arumi jagan kualo cerbalin kali kalau kau me perjuloi lucu bin cerbalo. Cicin narong kenuno kaki boy. Pojro orang narong pairi. Yang ulli video kau projen alo je. Video yang terkualo kon. Tak orang walau dulu cikin cerbal wareng lo malu. Cokron ni ayo kau cerbali. Kalau aku naik lalu reservoir ruan kian ko ruan army jen bajo. Eno kau bilu puji jen ko me reservoir iwiru wane. Majority reservoir rain. Ligau cirum majau. En kau bilang company wan PII, private sector ko, en wan money ko Majuro. Impian ni ciri ko an ruai Majuro. Cuma kaya udah air rumajau.
Why is the Chinese taking over Africa? Because they studied what the white man did and they said we're going to do it better than the white man. They are coming into Africa for 4 reasons. Reason number 1, the China man is coming into Africa. China is overpopulated. I was just there a year ago in January of 18. There's too many of them. They got over 2 billion people in one country. America is only what, 500 million? They got 2 billion. China is looking for unexploited lands where they can send their excess poor people. Africa is perfect. That's number 1. We got to reduce the population of China, so we're going to send all of our unwanteds to Africa. Same thing Britain did when they founded the 13th colony. Second reason China taking over Africa, look at all the poor Africans. Can you imagine a better place to go and open up your factories and businesses where you can pay people even less than what you pay them in China? There's no minimum wage in many African countries for foreign businesses. You can exploit African labor better than you can exploit Taiwanese and Vietnamese labor. So the second reason they're in Africa, because guess what? I keep more of the profit. Third reason they in Africa is to take over the resources, just like the white man. That's why they're giving out all these loans. These are not grants. Let me be clear. The money that China is giving Africa are not grants. They are loans. You might say, why is China giving Kenya more money than they know Kenya can pay back? You follow me? Why are they giving a poor country like Ethiopia more money? Because they don't want you to pay it back. Right. Because when you look at the contract, guess what it says? If you default on this loan,
we keep
all your tea fields are mine. All your copper mines are mine. All your oil reserves are mine. And guess what? You already have an African nation that has defaulted on the loan. I think it was Kenya. But but don't quote me. As a result of the default, China now owns all of a particular resource in that country. And the fourth reason that they are in Africa is to make the Africans dependent on them culturally, intellectually, educationally, and otherwise, because China plans to colonize Africa the same way the white man did. They're building military bases and police stations everywhere they set up shop.
Yeah.
And then China gonna send a whole army in, and they're gonna colonize that whole country. And they're gonna do just like America does. We just making your country safe for democracy.
Lo Majuro Idan all of Charvalaga Roman one Menot Puyin in Pot, a sugar buyer, Armira Nuguno Matan Chanador Minister, Mayor and Maya. A Kauda Ligud Armira Nuguir, Puyin Rodage, Melabone. A Raujulu, Ubiga, Raga, and Kienga Ro, and Armijin Maya. A Marmira Nuguir, Ralagai, Rijarvan, Lubiga, and Kien. A Kauda Ryan Nuguir Matai. A Murajukanan way, Armir and Chala, where we never pay for Pajagan, who we are Lali. You can Rajavire, Rumaya Rami, Rajagaran and Charvala. You go Raya, really good Rai, when money really Chakaboto and Pajagan, Armich Mayo. The Armich Majo and Jaji, I fought in Pajaka, and who we are Lali. Rain. Ibol Chirum Ligaun Majo, the Mujel Carrujo, we were Tigri in CMI. Agarrao, you rich per budget. Chidra taxi driver, budget. Chidra you below you pay real you KNK. Wait, Cholo Puyi never long on you, PSC. Yokwe. Jami tabar chamala pidioi. Am kini go pidio gen ngai poji. E jangan educate. You raise public awareness. Kam tagen reach pugchigi rilo island kinar. Am jejam melolo boy pugi taujung romajo. Mujay romagichan majo raini. E chokan ngai cholokot air chaba putuni yo man. Nanir, family ginair. I can get your problem in chicken charval and romaja. A job implemented labor law, Aran Ilomaja. Ilomaja rainy. Chokron chicken charvalta. When I muggen cut charvala and I pin on one mala. And I you in on charval. Upon I power the John and Cocarchino guy. You went over the labyrinth, come with wrong I year. You look at you. Chicken Charvala, Arangilo Major raining, a jello promotion. I get regular. The war chino can put you in when I put you in long point. They just pen with package all of kind. It's a long one. I hear when I can go along and pay on Major Mitch. I tell them. Position guy may Raman, you may have one air. And Pamoli guy, you Maravira, Matan, Minister, Senator, Mayor and Major. Emlala war monogo magi impa rana jairu iblewa chiavri kan raman waner kange oram kala tigri a kange kojala melan jarwal por raini ne bolgao in chirungut mayor prajala melan jarwal imrakabel a religion ra raj pojani Rebenam tanak tagain pidio ini kacau walongan kue mengerda kue logan mejam em rongkan lagi lagi Ego bolen koyane koyai we read Bible. Koyel gun ali karage kobilo. Mengarta menigin royalo iman pod.